Ready, Zuzu?
Let's go! Yay!
Wow, a giant surprise gift factory! So many colorful gifts!
Friends, which gift should we open first?
Can you point to the red gift? Will it be? Roar! Hello, friends! Haha! A cute baby dinosaur! Let's open the blue gift! Dance with me! Dance, dance, teddy bear! Clap your hands everywhere! Haha! Haha! You're funny! Beep, beep! Come ride with me! Let's go!
This is so much fun!
Beep, beep! Come ride with me! Let's go! See you in episode 7! Wow, look at that!
Wow!
We made it! We made it! I brush my teeth every morning. My face! We made it! It's afternoon! Let's play together!
Afternoon is a great time to play and eat healthy snacks.
It's evening! Time to tidy up!
Helping at home makes everyone happy.
We found the pink crystal! Good night, friends! Tomorrow we'll visit the friendly Like, share, and subscribe! See you soon!